talk like I've got SD display, another says I've got full HD display, and another says I've got 4K display. And what about yours? And if you don't even know this, welcome. This video is for you. And in this video I'll tell you how to find the display resolution of your laptop or your computer screen, and I'll tell you whether it is a SD or a full HD or a 4K display. You'll know that. So watch this video till the end. And here's my request: please like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for my latest updates. Okay, let's get back to our topic: how to find the screen resolution of your laptop or computer screen. And it's quite easy. So for this, click on Start and then go to Settings and click System, and there you have Display Settings, or we have a shortcut for display setting. They're on the desktop. Right click, go to Display Settings, and there we have various options for display customization, but we need to go to Display Resolution and click on it, and the highest recommended value that you see is the display resolution of your screen. And in my case, the highest value is 1366 by 768, which is recommended, and this is the screen resolution of my laptop. So in this way we can find the display resolution of our screen. But again, the same question we have: is it a SD or full HD or 4K? And there we have some criteria for those ranking. I'll show you that. And if the screen resolution is 1366 by 768, then it is a SD display. And if the resolution is 1920 by 1080 pixels, then it is a full HD display. And if it is 3840 by 2160 pixel, then it's a 4K display. So I hope through this video now you are able to check the resolution of your display, and also you can rank your display in terms of its resolution. So this much for today. If you think this video is useful for you, then you can share it and like it, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my updates. Thank you.